Check out these spring savings at Sam's Club. This is Kendi K all day, and I've got the best buys for spring at Sam's Club. Wow, y'all, members, Mark has these fruit and vegetable plants in bags, and they are ready. Y'all, do y'all see they got grapes to make yourself a grapevine in your yard? Y'all, they have all the fruits and veggies, and y'all, they looked good and healthy. Yeah, I'm trying these. I'm eyeing these onions. I see strawberries. I see grapes. I see, oh my goodness, it's giving blackberries. Yeah. I'm doing container garden in the backyard. I'm gonna try not to overbuy. Y'all, $14.97, $19.97. Get them before they're gone. And look, right around the corner is the potting soil for $8.48. Yep. It's Miracle-Gro. Especially for flowers and plant garden soil for fruits and veggies. Yep. And on to the things, y'all. This is for $2,699, man. You have your outdoor living room. And I kept wondering, that's me rocking, and they felt really, really good. A little bit low for a woman of a particular age, but I would still enjoy it. And I wondered why the price was so high. That's because that coffee table is a fire pit. So I fell in love immediately. Wish I could buy, but I'm trying to get myself a covered back porch, a pergola. That's what's on my mind right now. Yeah, that part. But spring has sprung at Walmart. Excuse me. Spring has sprung at Sam's Club. Get yourself a solar security light, will give your backyard some ambiance and some security. You put it on automatic on or dusk till dawn. Yep, $12.98 for two big Kingsford lighter fluids. And Kingsford is my brand. I picked mine up, so this means I have enough lighter fluid for the season. Yes, baby, yes. And right along with it, you can get two 20-pound packages of Kingsford charcoal, $19.98. I got mine too. I got them. Yes, I did. I am ready. And finally, y'all, yes, I need something to light those coals with, right? So I picked up myself a pack, the Flexi pack of these lighters for $7.48. Take your pick. Excuse me, $7.98. Y'all, I haven't had any coffee as I'm recording this, so y'all excuse me. That part. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to your girl. I'm a new content creator. It's Kendi K all day. Goodbye for now.